So, on to Tinder. It's a app based on geosocial networking and online dating. It shows you people based on your location you are at. Go to Google Play and download Tinder app. Let's sign up for it. You can sign up using Google account, phone number or Facebook account. We will sign up using phone number, so tap on login with phone number. Select your country code if incorrect code appears and type your phone number. Tap on continue. You will be asked for code received on SMS. Check and type it if it won't autofill. On next page your email will be asked, type it and tap on continue. Now you will see some instruction on your screen about how to use Tinder. Read subtly and tap on got it. Type your name and tap on continue. Type your date of birth, month, date and year. Again tap on continue. Select your gender as male or woman. If you want to show your gender on your profile, tap on show my gender on my profile. Again tap on continue. Now you can add school and optional options. I will just skip it. Now you have to add photos, tap on plus sign. Select search as camera or gallery. You will be asked for permission to access file and storage by Tinder. Tap on yes or allow. Select photo you want to add and tap on next. You can add more photos and now I will continue with only one. Tap on done. Now you will be asked for permission to access your location. Tap on yes or allow. That's all. Now you have successfully created your Tinder account. Subscribe the channel, like the video and share it with your friends.